Wow, I am surprised by this camera. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And there is a drone on top of us. I hope you can hear me. And if not, still, it's a beautiful afternoon. Okay, so hello, dear friends. Good morning. Not morning. Good afternoon. Okay. So this kind of video, I want to talk about some reflections and some of my thoughts, some of the idea get out of everyday life. So suddenly there pop up one topic that is experiment something new. A lot of time we do not want to experiment something new. We like, okay, I cannot talk about any of you. I have some friends say that it's like I am teaching someone. No, I am not teaching anyone. I am not trying to persuade anyone or give a lesson. I talk about myself. I do not want to change. I like to live in the old condition, live in the old place. I am very comfortable with it. And one example is the phone. If I myself, I may not even need to buy a phone. I do not like to buy new phones. But when you live in a family, your family member could be a person who likes to try new things, experiment new things, and you will be the guinea pig for the family to try this new thing, right? So this is the case for me right now. And I used to have an old, very out-of-date phone. And I am very happy with it. I never wanted to try. But then my family bought me a new phone. And this time they bought a new phone. And for the very beginning, it was very hard for me to figure out how things work. So I have this resentment. I'm sorry, this video sounds like so spoiled, gade-bouhi. Let's not talk about that. We shifted into a thought. You have to be uncomfortable to try something new. This something new, maybe someone else like it very much, but it may not be what you like the most. From time to time, challenge myself, try something new. If there is something new, there is a reason why it is new. There is a reason why it exists. There is a reason why it is better than the old thing. Give yourself the opportunity to try it out. You can find a different world. Maybe you are not comfortable. Maybe I am not comfortable. I am not yet comfortable. But it does give me a lot of new things to play around. I am play around with the cinematic. I am playing around with trying to zoom while I am walking. And there are so many things in every little small things. There are so many details. If we get into it, it will be interesting. Of course, on the other side, we do not need to hook up ourselves, get into too much detail. The point is, when change has happened to you, do not resent it. When change has happened to me, I persuade myself not to resent it, not to dislike it. Accept what is happening. Accept what is given. It could be something you like. It could be something I wish. It could be something I do not wish. But if I want to live a happy life, if I want to live a life that makes the best use of all the resources, of all the surroundings, make the best balance of what is given, and live in harmony with the life I am living, with the life I am living, I better take the challenge to accept and to get comfortable, to get curious, and to discover a new world. Oh, the sun is setting down. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye-bye, friends.